It starts with.
Alex, what's in the coffee? What's in the coffee?
There's a lot of things. The orange juice, about 3 more than tablespoons of sugar, and a whole lot of coffee.
3 of these tablespoons.
Half a cup of coffee.
Scull it. You're dropping it all over. Look at your mouth. Oh, that looks putrid. Oh, that's wrong.
This house is going to crash.
Alex,
Look at my mouth.
Oh, Alex, we should have put this in it. We should have put olive oil. I think that can kill you though.